Okay, so we're going to continue talking about tiny books that you can write. Very short books that you can write in a long weekend is actually the name of this particular set of lessons. And a few people have asked about the difference between the Dear Reader and Dear Leader types of books that I recommend you consider. So they are different sides of the same coin. One person even thought that I had made a typo here and that it was the same recommendation, but they're actually different types of books that are very easy to write for folks who are ostensibly business owners or doing real work already in the world. Obviously, these are nonfiction books, but one are letters or questions or emails that you pose to them, and the other side of the coin is they to you, right? So a Dear Reader book would be something like you reaching out to your existing audience or your ideal audience or your client community and asking proactively, how can I help, right? So actually framing the question in that context. And the Dear Leader difference, and in this case, the leader would be you, obviously, is them reaching out to you and asking something akin to, how can you help me, right? So if you have a collection of emails from your audience, from your clients in the real world, your online community or your online audience, you can simply curate those into a collection. And, again, with the general theme being, how can you help me, from them to you, and you answer those questions. If you turn the equation around and you, have the same audience or client community, in this case, you would be proactively using the Dear Reader approach to say, how can I help you? And they're going to give you all of the questions, concerns, conundrums, confusions, etc., that they have that you can answer in a tiny book. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. We're going to move on to a new series of questions later today. It's the 4th of February, 2026. Thanks so much.